So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I just want to make this super quick video and address this topic, this question that I've thought about a lot, and I'm sure you have too, is should you deny passengers who are not wearing masks? I don't even have my mask on me. I don't know where it is. I think I left it in my house. But what happens if you get a passenger, if you're driving for Uber or Lyft, you get a passenger who comes in with no mask? Should you say, no, I'm not going to, sorry, I can't let you in? Technically, every rider, both rider and driver, currently has to have a face covering. That's how they call it. You need to wear face covering when you're driving for Uber. You need to have a face covering when you're riding with Uber. Now, this is a hard question, because are you as a driver supposed to enforce that rule when a rider comes in with no mask on? Well, if you personally don't feel comfortable with somebody not wearing a mask, like if you personally, for safety reasons, health reasons, think, oh, I want that person to wear a mask, he's sitting behind me, we're in a enclosed car, got the windows down, but sure, you know, germs are still flying around in the car, he needs to wear a mask. I would say, hey, sorry, you can't wear a mask, but you don't want to accept the ride. The worst thing you can do is click accept. He gets in, then you need to cancel the ride. So, and this has happened to me before. What you want to do is, you want to, what's it called? You want to confirm with the person their name, that they have a mask on, before you click accept. So when you pull up, make sure that they have it or whatever, then say, okay, now you can come inside, or you can let them in the car, whatever, and then tell them to leave. What I recommend is keeping your doors locked, and then when you go up to them, roll your window down and confirm while they're still outside the car. So at any rate, you can say, oh, hey, sorry, you don't have a mask, then keep driving off. It's really awkward and potentially dangerous if someone's in your car already and you need to kick them out. You don't want to do that. That's why you should just keep your car locked, roll the window down, pull up to them and say that. Now, if you don't care whether or not they wear a mask, I would just let them ride with no mask on. Why? Because first of all, you're going to lose out on the money if you cancel the ride. You could get a cancellation fee of $5. I think that's what it is right now for both Uber and Lyft. If you have to deny, well, you might have to wait the 5 minutes. I think that's the loophole. You would say, oh, hey, sorry. You'd be like, oh, hey, I'll give you time to go get the mask. Or they have to cancel the ride, and then you get your $5. So you might have to wait the 5 minutes on your end if you want to cancel. The only thing is that, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, right? So I guess it's you can. I would say definitely cancel if you don't feel comfortable, and I would assume most people watching this as a driver wants everyone to wear masks. But I know that at the same time there are people who just don't care, and you might just say, hey, yeah, sure, you can ride along with me. Oh, what I was gonna say, if you do accept the ride and then need to kick them out for not wearing a mask, most likely they will report you, and it could lead to a deactivation. I've actually seen a lot of comments of people saying that they've gotten deactivated for telling the passenger that they need to wear a mask. However, what I do think is that as long as you don't accept the ride, if you don't start the ride, then they can't really report you. I know they can report you, but I know they can still contact Uber like about you, but which I guess is a report. But it's not going to mean much if you never accepted the ride. You know, you can just cancel, you can deny them and then write in the reasoning they didn't have a mask, whatever. I know it can be annoying, but hey, these are the times we're in. Uber and Lyft support sucks, so you gotta mark your ground, stay in your territory, and call them in first. The reason I say it sucks is because they'll deactivate you over a false claim. That's what and they won't hear your story about it. That's what I mean when it sucks. That's just how their thing is set up. So you might have to, if you had to deny somebody because they weren't wearing a mask, honestly, if you really want your job, to keep your job, I would say call up Uber and Lyft and call them up really quick and say, hey, I had to deny a ride because the rider didn't have a mask. And they'll usually say, okay, no worries. And then you won't get deactivated. But yeah, that's how you cover yourself. Thank you for watching. Use the link down below for GetUpside to save up to 25 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up. Use my code and link to get up to 40 cents off. So you get an additional 15 cents off per gallon in your first fill up. And then, you know, you still get the 25 cents off per gallon on your other fill ups too. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.